Hey, you guys, we're going to do something a little different today. What do we got?
We got the ultra premium.
Pokemon collection.
Yeah.
It's a big box full of Pokemon cards, and we are drawing today.
Yeah.
But the first thing we're going to do is open up the box and take one of the packets. Then we're going to open it and go through it and see what we get. And then we're going to pick one.
Yeah.
Are you going to pick it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm going to try and choose the coolest one.
Okay, the coolest one in that pack.
Yeah.
And that's all we're opening in this video. We're just gonna do one. So we also have Jack off camera. He's our professional Pokemon guy, and he knows a lot more about cards than we do.
Yeah.
And he actually has his own channel where he's opened up a bunch of packs, but also playing video games. What's your channel, Jack?
Catch me up.
Catch Me Up. So be sure to check that channel out too. All right, let's open this up and see what's inside.
I can't wait. Let's do
Okay.
it.
How does this open? Does it slide out? Is this a sleeve?
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's so cool.
Go ahead. And then, oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, that looks
That is
so cool. That does look awesome. So we got really cool stuff in here. We got all the decks. We also got this metal coin.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
That is cool.
And then we got the dice for playing the actual game. Whoa, look at the mat. I'm gonna use this as a mouse pad.
Oh, yeah.
Is this
Whoa.
the actual card, Jack?
Yes.
For the set.
Yeah.
That is awesome. The artwork
This-
is so cool.
This is the Mega Charizard X EX.
Yep.
We should just even draw that card.
Yeah, we should.
Okay, we will. We'll do that later. And then what's this deck?
Oh, those are sleeves.
These are sleeves?
So you can
okay.
put, like-
What's this?
That's the deck box.
Okay, keeping all the cards inside of this. Oh, we'll just pick one. Pick one of these and then we'll put the box off to the side.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna do?
Let's do this one.
All right. I think that's our lucky one.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
put
try
this
it.
off to the side. Whoa, look at that.
That
look
is
at
so
that.
cool.
Oh, this is awesome. I'm just gonna put this on my desk.
Yeah.
All right, Austin, put it out here so they can see you opening it. There we go.
Okay, so we're going to give the code card,
Oh yeah, pause it if you want it.
and then we're going to move one from the back up to the front.
Okay,
you go.
now what?
Okay, so then
Oh,
energy.
What is that one?
I don't know.
Porygon 2.
Oh, it's
okay.
a 2.
All right, we got to look at these. We got to decide which one we're going to draw. Puppetar.
Puppetar.
Jack's going to tell us if we do this wrong. You almost said poop. Staryu.
Nidorino.
Nidorino. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Trainer.
Trainer.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Orgerpon?
Orgerpon.
Orgerpon.
Shaman.
Shaman.
Whoa,
Oh, Growlith.
that's pretty cool.
Growlith.
That's
That one's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Put that one up here. I might do that one. It's a metal one too, or it's got a reflective.
Metallic, yeah.
Metallic. Hollow?
Hollow.
Okay.
Oh, this one's also hollow.
Ooh. And what is that one? Ooh.
Floats.
Float Zell.
That's pretty cool.
That
And
is
then
cool.
Rose. This is the last one.
The last one?
Rose Raid.
Rose Raid?
Yeah.
So this is the big card that we got in that deck. This is a pretty good one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It looks like she has roses for hands.
Yeah.
What do you think?
think-
Staryu is pretty good too.
We should do.
Oh,
either
people are
this.
going to be upset on the ones we
Yeah.
don't choose.
We should do Growlith.
Growlith?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. And then maybe we'll bookmark some of these for later too.
Yeah.
Porygon 2 is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I really like Staryu.
I love Starry too.
Oh, and Nidorino. Let's clear these off and get ready to draw.
'Kay.
We have our Growlith card. We also have our marker paper. We're using Canson brand. If you want to use the same, you
Yeah.
can get it off of Amazon. And we're also drawing with markers.
You can use whatever you have.
Yeah, you don't have to use the same supplies. All right, now let's use the card and we're gonna look at it and draw as we go.
Okay.
So let's start with the nose. That's one of my favorite things to always start with because it's in the middle and then
Yeah.
we can build everything off of it. So I'm gonna draw a little oval shape. And we're gonna draw the eyebrows. So we're gonna draw a curve coming up. It kind of looks a little angry, but
Yeah.
we're gonna draw two curves on each side. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw a letter U, and we'll probably change it a little bit. We're not gonna draw exactly the same, and that's okay. And it's okay if our two drawings look different too, because the most important thing is,
To have fun.
yeah, and
Practice.
practice. Okay, now let's draw that little highlight that's in each eye, and then we'll color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Yeah. Okay, now we're ready to draw the mouth. We're going to draw the little curve right here. I probably drew it too far down. That's okay. We want a little space right here. So this is the first part, and then we're going to draw him smiling on each side, so curving up on each side. And then I think that's his tongue sticking out. It's so small. This is kind of challenging to draw, to look at it so small and then draw it bigger on our paper. Okay, now we got a little line for the tongue. Okay, now up here, we're gonna draw the letter V for the start of his hair or mane. And then we're gonna draw a curve coming down like this and right next to the mouth, and we'll do the same thing over here. Our little Growlith is looking funny.
Yeah.
We gotta add more details. Maybe I was looking at this mouth, and I think we'll add some of these extra lines. So we've got the little curve going over for his snout. And then we're gonna draw his cheek coming around like this, and then we're gonna come back here, and then we'll do the same thing on this side.
Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. Keep going and do the same thing. All I was gonna do is just add a little curve down, but I like that yours is different. Okay, and then we can draw, I'm gonna make the eyes a little bit bigger, so the eyebrows on each side, and then we're gonna draw the corner or the outside of the eye and the corner of the eye coming down. Okay, now it's starting to look a little bit more like Growlith.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to get the ears in there. So let's draw these big, kind of look like monkey ears. We're gonna draw, and I like that the artwork is different in each of the sets. So there's different Growlith drawings. This one's kind of a cute, funny one.
Yeah.
So we got these big monkey ears on each side. Okay, now let's draw the inside of the ear. I know it's looking funny, but it's gonna look even cooler once we keep going.
Yeah.
Once in a while, I'm gonna have to pick this up and look closer. Okay, we're gonna draw the mane. So this side is gonna curve up and back. And then we're gonna draw zigzags coming down to the ear. Yes, okay, now for the fur on his chest. We're gonna draw zigzag. We're gonna come out like this and back in. And then we'll do the same thing. Oh, look on this side. We drew this coming down. We're gonna change it and draw the Z or this sideways V connecting here. And then we're gonna draw more, but we're gonna get smaller and come closer together. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Draw more zigzags and getting closer together and a little gap down here. And then down at the bottom, we're gonna draw a big W to connect those two together. Okay, it's looking awesome.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of a weird monkey look, but once we add these stripes, I think it'll look more like him.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw his paws. So let's start here on the W. We're gonna draw this curving around. We're gonna come back, and then we're gonna come up to about there. Then on this side, we're gonna draw it a little different. We'll draw a short diagonal line. And then we're gonna draw a big kind of curve that comes around because his paw is lifted and bent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw his claws. We're gonna draw a sharp claw and a sharp claw. And then two sharp claws on this one too. Yes. Okay, now for the back of his body, we're gonna start up here on the side of his head. We're gonna curve around, and I'm not gonna go too far out so that we have room for his tail.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw another curve here for the other side of his leg, and we're gonna get kind of close, but leave some space. This is for his back foot, and we'll curve around and then connect in. Okay, now we're ready for the tail. Let's start by drawing a letter U right here. I'm gonna draw it smaller. See how big it is?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna draw it smaller so we don't go off the page. And then we're gonna start here and we'll draw an upside down U to there. And then we got zigzags just like we got up here and down here. We're gonna draw them coming in, and you don't have to draw these exactly like mine, but we're gonna finish down here at the bottom. Yes! Okay, now we need to add the stripes. He's got a V right here on his leg. So let's draw the V first. And then let's make it thicker. So we'll draw another V right next to it. And then a little zigzag to connect. And then we can color that in. Now on this side, he has a stripe too, but it's kind of behind the fur on his chest. So we're just gonna color in a little piece underneath the fur. Okay, now he has 3 big stripes and 2 little stripes on his back. So we'll start way up here. We're gonna draw 2 lines for the first stripe. Then a zigzag to connect them. Let's draw another one right next to it. We're gonna draw it longer, come into the body further, and then we're gonna draw zigzags connecting. And then this one will come down a little further. This one won't be as long. So we're on the 3rd one, and then we can draw zigzags. And then we got these 2 thinner ones, but they're kind of long too. I'm gonna draw them a little curved, and then a zigzag, and then another one right here, and a zigzag. Then let's color all of those stripes in. And then we're almost finished, except when I'm looking at this card and then looking at my drawing, I can tell that the eyes are a little bigger, and see how they come down to touch the cheeks?
Yeah.
Let's make the eyes bigger. So I'm gonna draw these coming down, and then I'm gonna color it in. Look, that makes it look so much better.
Yeah, it does.
Isn't that cool
Yeah,
how it
that's awesome.
changes? So you can always do that with any of your drawings. You can take a little break, step back, and look at your drawings and see if there's anything you could change to make it better.
Yeah.
Yeah, or cuter, or scarier, or whatever you want. You could also take time to add the background. You could add all of these cool flowers and the trees. You could also draw the entire card.
Yeah, that would be so cool.
You could change your page into the card.
Uh-huh.
All right, but we still need to do one more thing.
Color.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Growlith.
Yeah, he turned out awesome.
Yeah, and especially colored in. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
Also, I really like how he changed the eyes.
Yeah, me too. He looks so much better with bigger eyes. Now, our friends, you guys can change your drawings any way you want. If you think you need to change it, do it. Because the best thing is to have fun and practice.
I'm also really excited to do more of these lessons.
Yeah, so be sure to like this video and let us know if we should do more. Open more packs and pick more Pokemon to draw.
Yeah, we need to draw that Charizard.
Especially the Charizard.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun watching us open Pokemon cards.
Yeah, and also be sure to check out Jack's channel, Catch Me Up, if you want to watch more Pokemon cards, and also here on our channel.
Yeah.
Oh, and we hope you had fun drawing Growlith. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.